How to log out from Facebook Messenger on iPhones. To log out of Facebook Messenger from iPhone, there are a couple of things that you have to understand. Now first, let me launch Messenger. You can remove other Messenger accounts on your iPhone. So let's say you have 2 or 3 or more accounts added to your Messenger app. You can remove those aside from the one that you're currently using. So currently, just come to the menu page and go to the Switch Profile tab. So here you can see the other accounts that you might have added. You can log out these accounts or remove these accounts from Messenger by simply swiping left from those accounts and tapping the trash icon. You cannot swipe left from the current account that you are logged in. So depending upon which account you want to log in from the other account and basically log out from the account that you want to remove. This is one way to do it. But what if you just have one account on Messenger and then you just want to remove that account only and log out from those? Now this could actually be quite tricky. First of all, what you do is you open up Facebook, tap the menu icon from the bottom right, by the way, that same exact Messenger account, then tap the gear icon from the top right hand side. Then go to the option Account Center, then go to Password and Security. From here, select where you are logged in, select your Facebook account, then you will see a list of devices where you're logged in. So you can simply select devices to log out from the bottom and select all and log out from all those devices. When you've done that, log out from the current devices as well. Then after that, you should be logged out from Messenger. If it still doesn't work, the only option that you have is to uninstall, to remove the app completely and reinstall it, and it will not automatically log into the Facebook app you're currently logged in from. So those are some of the workarounds that you can get because there isn't a dedicated logout button that Facebook offers us. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.